Oh well, what a wonderful day.
Have you ever seen anything like this? Look out! Ah! We need to get out of here, now!
I'm doing my best!
Ah!
You okay? I didn't break a single bone. Let's try to survive. Oh no, not ready to give up yet.
We need to get to a safe space.
Hold on, I have a plan B. Oh no, plan B is canceled. This is it.
Look out!
Ah!
No panic. It's just a virtual reality simulation. Don't waste time trying to open the door. It simply won't budge because of the force of the water pressing on it from the outside. Remember, first of all, you have to unfasten your seatbelt. Great. Now you gotta lower the window and try to get out of the car. According to statistics, electronic devices continue working inside a sinking car for about 10 minutes after driving. Okay, plan B. If the window refuses to open, don't waste your time and break the glass. Oh no, don't even try to break the windshield. The most efficient option is to remove the headrests and break the glass with the metal prongs at the end of them. Unfortunately, you're not very forward-looking and you haven't put a special glass-breaking hammer. Wait until the car is completely filled with water. This will equalize the pressure inside and outside the car, and the door will open. Take one last deep breath and open the door. Remember that water around a sinking car gets murky and cloudy, so follow the air bubbles to get to the surface.
Made it! Phew! Wow!
He can't help us, Eva. We have to navigate this boat on our own.
Whoa, it's so shaky.
This weather is too stormy for a cruise.
Watch your head, babe!
Look,
No time to panic. Let's get out of here.
ouch.
Ava, are you okay?
No worries. I'm all right.
Grab something and hold on tight. You can be washed away by a wave.
Okay. Look out.
Wow. This city is a hot mess.
Careful. Maybe we could try to get on a roof.
Yeah. It's not safe to stay on board. Are you ready?
Yeah.
See this building? We need to get inside.
Ava, where are you? Can you hear me?
Hey, wait for me. Everything's falling apart. It feels a little dizzy. Okay, let's try this way.
Oh, there you are.
Phew, I'm so glad you're okay.
Nice view, huh?
Wait a minute. I don't like it. Whoa! Oh, watch out! It's falling on our heads! It should have some exit. Okay, it's not that bad, is it? Ugh. Everything's falling apart. I'll pull you out. There you go. Hope this way works. Oh no! There's a door! Oh, thank goodness! Oh no! This mine is my only chance. Here we go! Lady! It's too dangerous!
Ow!
Oh, the water is so cold! Come on, let's go upstairs.
Okay,
We need to climb as high as we can. Otherwise, we're gonna be washed away. Don't panic. We'll get out of here. Oh, gosh. Look! There's a departing train! We should try to jump on it. Hey! Come on, buddy! Let us in! Wow! Oh, watch out! Come on! I got you. Look! Here's another train! Run! Hey! Wait for us! I don't like it. There's too much water. We should jump on the railways and try to escape. It's falling on our heads! That was epic. We gotta climb. Are you ready?
let's go.
Come on, I got you.
Oh no, another one.
Ah! Watch your head!
Ow!
Give me your hand! Don't be afraid. I'm here. I'll pull you out. There you go.
Yeah, wow.
No worries. The water is coming. Ugh. Everything's falling apart. Let's get out of here.
Okay.
Let's go. Ugh. Let's run to the front car. I have an idea. Luckily, I can drive trains. Hear the sound of water? Turn around! The water is coming!
Wow. Let's get out of here.
Whoa! The wave is huge! Hold on! Whoa! Thank goodness we're inside the train.
Today is our lucky day.
Oops! This train didn't go far, did it? Wow! Did you see that? Wow! Oh, watch out!
Ow! Are you okay? Not injured?
No worries.
Let's go, bro. Move it.
Come on! Whoa. I don't like it. I gotta move quickly! It seems like the worst is over. Let's go this way! Ah! What the heck? What is that? Whoa! Oh no! I gotta get out of here! Yeah! Don't mess with me! Goodbye! Ah! No! Looks like it's my only way out. Wow! Okay, it's not that bad, is it? Whoa! Oh, that was tough. I gotta move on. Oh no! How did you get here?
Wow. We kind of ran away.
Don't panic. We'll get out of here.
Oh no.
Ava! Another wave!
No! Look out!
Ah! It's too strong! This can't be happening!
Help me!
Ava! No! I need to help her. Hold on, Ava! I'm coming, Eva!
Let's get out of here.
Unbelievable. Everything's flooded. Here's what a dam failure can do to a city. I gotta be careful. Whoa! Okay, it's time to brace myself. There's a couple of obstacles ahead. I'm not ready to give up yet. Hey, buddy, I'll pull you out.
Help me!
There you go. Oh, there's another one.
I'm over here, please! Help me!
Climb to the roof. We'll pick you up.
I can't! The window won't open! Please!
Don't worry, I have an idea. Watch your head. I'll cut an exit. There you go. Are you all right?
I guess so. Thanks!
No worries. Now let's get out of here. All right, guys, we gotta make another stop. Hopefully it's not too late. There's her car. Wait here. Hi, babe.
Hi.
Oh, I'm so glad to see you. Are you hurt?
No, I'm fine. You arrived here just in time.
Phew, thank goodness. Come on, get into the boat.
It looks like the apocalypse.
Let's just stay optimistic and try to survive. The dam is very close. Let's go check it out. Oh no! Watch out!
Whoa! Ah! This wave is too big!
Let's go this way. Be careful!
Hey, look, there's a dog. We can't leave him on this roof.
Hey, buddy, come over here. Don't be afraid. Come on!
Good boy.
Okay, we need to find a shelter.